The West Indies suffered yet another heavy defeat on their tour of India as the hosts wrapped up a 3-1 series win, taking the final one-day international by 9 wickets on Thursday. Here's Renata Brown.
Ahead of the start of the fifth and final one-day international, Windies assistant coach Nick Potus called for consistency, but that call fell on deaf ears. Being dismissed from 153 in the fourth ODI prompted a change, but that change saw the Windies opting to go with an extra bowler in the form of Shane Thomas in favour of opening batsman Shandapal Hemraj. Rovman Powell was promoted to number 2, but the Windies' number 1, Karen Powell, didn't stay around long. Shea Hope, who showed form in previous games, was soon shown the door as the Windies lost 2 wickets in quick succession. Molan Samuels, for the first time, looked to be positive, but that eventually led to his demise, with the rest of the Windies lineup following closely, one behind the other. 104 was all the Caribbean side mustered. Only captain Jason Holder, 25, bettered Samuels' score of 24, as Ravi Jadeja bagged 4 for 34, while Jasprit Bumrah and Khalil Ahmed both had 2 wickets each. Jamaican Shane Thomas' participation in the series came in the first and last games, and in that time he accounted for the first and the last Indian wicket to fall in the series. Shikhar Dhawan, the unlucky batsman on both occasions. But that was the only success for the Windies as Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli entertained the Indian fans. The two shared in an unbroken 99-run second wicket partnership, with Sharma ending on 63 and Kohli 33.
That's an emphatic victory.
Yeah, not the finish we were looking for. Obviously we lacked consistency in the last couple of games. We just didn't bat well enough, and it cost us. And still credit to the guys. I thought we showed an admirable performance coming up here in India against India in their backyard. Obviously some bright spots in the competition as well. It's just a matter for us, to pick ourselves back up. We've got to look at our weak areas, and we've got to attack them.
Finally, the teams will now turn their attention to the 3-match 2020 series, with Game 1 coming on Sunday morning Jamaica time. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, former West Indies coach Phil Simmons has questioned the team's decision to drop opener Shandapal Hemraj for Thursday's match. Hemraj, who made his debut in the opening match of the series, was replaced at the top of the order by Jamaican Rovman Powell. Speaking with ESPN's Crick Info, Simmons argued that the decision to leave the Guyanese out of the squad was a poor one.
In the air and a very, very shot again. There's a
it's been a nightmare in decision making for them today, because if you score less than 200 in an ODI, and then you drop a batsman, that doesn't make sense. Also, you drop one of the batsmen who looked like he was getting into it now. He started well in the first 2 games especially, and then you come here with the extra bowler, you win the toss, and you decide that I'm going to bowl with the Jew that's predicted. So a lot of misread decisions.
Defeat to India in the final ODI secured a 5th straight limited over series win over the Windies.